everybody, it's Shay from Social Squares. I am the owner and creator of Social Squares membership, and today I just wanted to take you behind the scenes to something that you might not get to see if you're not a member. And what I want to show you specifically is something that only Social Squares offers, and that's called custom curation. So as a member, in addition to getting access to the entire catalog of images, which at this point I think we're officially at a bazillion images potentially, if that seems like a little bit overwhelming, I want to show you what we've done to make it easier than ever to find the images that are going to be a great fit for your brand. So right now, what you're looking at is the entire catalog, but only showing yellow and light blue. So there's a ton more in there, but I just went ahead and filtered it down so that we're looking at some beautiful light blue and yellow. But in addition to being able to do that, when you are a member of Social Squares, you can set up your own custom curation preferences. That's where you tell Social Squares the color palettes and keywords associated with your brand that you'd like us to pull specifically for you. We put that together and we put it under this tab, My Collection, for our members. So if I go to My Collection right now, you'll see that it's set up to pull beautiful peaches, corals, pinks, some reds, and that's just because that's what I've told it are my brand colors. And it's really easy to edit your custom collection at any time. So as a member, you would do that on your My Account page. So if I navigate to my dashboard, where a little sneak peek at your custom curated collection is there for you, and I go to My Account page, you'll see at the bottom of the My Account page, you can select the color palettes that you'd like to see, and then you can also go ahead and put in some keywords that are relevant to your business. So let's say for me, I'm going to put in travel, podcast, iPhone, iPad, and I'm going to click update. So then the next time I go to visit My Collection, it's going to be only pulling the images that are relevant for those things that I've suggested. So for me, that was travel, iPhones, iPads, computers. But hopefully this gives you an idea of how easy it is to say, you know what, my brand is pink, light blue, and I only want to see cooking related images or children related images or travel related images, and have it, in addition to giving you access to the entire image gallery, it will give you access to a custom curated collection that's really pulled specifically in your color palette, and it's going to be a great fit for you. I'm really excited about this. I think this is pretty awesome. Also, how pretty are these images? So if you've never given Social Squares a try, I hope that maybe this will convince you to give it a try this month. There are more images than ever, and I'm pretty convinced, as is my whole team, that you are going to totally love it.